Hello guys, welcome back to Geek254. It's a boy Ankoda here, student of computer science. I'm going to take you through the cabling of 568B with the help of my cameraman there behind the scenes. That's Hadrian. Keep the good work going, man. We appreciate you. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna take you through the process. First, we need the tools, and that is we need the crimping tool. This is a must to have it. Then the RJ45s. Yeah, you must have at least 2 and above. Yeah, for security purposes, that is if one gets damaged. Then the cable, we're gonna use the Cat 6 cable. Yeah, so let's start off. Yeah, take your crimping tool. First step, you have to remove the unwanted part using this part here of the crimping tool here. Hope you can see it. Just put it inside, then press it hard. Yeah, that way, and you're done. The second step is you remove the insulation layer, this one, so that you get access to those cables, wires inside. Yeah, and for that, we're gonna use this part here of the crimping tool. Yeah, put it that way. Then don't press hard, please. Just press softly, don't press hard, so that you don't mess with the wires inside. The wires are delicate. Yeah, and you get to see the cables here. So the color codes for the 568B straight through, that is white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. I'm gonna leave you with the photo showing the color code, so that you can pause the video whenever you want to go through the color codes. Yeah, so and then the third step is remove this part here using the same part here of the crimping tool, that way. Then now you have to arrange your color codes as I told you earlier. That's white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, then white, brown, brown. Yeah, okay. You know, there are 2 types of, I think 2, there might be more, but as per now I'm familiar with 2, that is straight through and crossover. I'll shoot another video showing you how to crimp the crossover after this video. Yep, so you have to untwist the wires this way. Okay, so after that you have to follow the procedure I told you of the color codes. That's white, orange, white, orange, orange, then white, green, white, green, white, green. Where's white, green? White, green, blue. Yeah, that way. White, green, blue. Then white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, green. Then white, brown, brown. Yeah. This way. White, white, orange, orange, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, then white, brown, brown. Hope you can see it, guys. Yeah, that way. You make sure they're straight. So you go through again, white, orange, orange, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, so that you don't mix them. After making sure all the cables are straight, you take your RJ45 this way, but again confirm for the last time that they are arranged the way I told you: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Yeah. Then you have to cut off some part here, so that to make sure that the same level this way. Yeah, as you can see, it's white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Then you take your RJ45 that way, this way, you put it this way. Yeah, then you insert slowly. Yeah, then you push it really hard. You make sure you can see the wires reflecting here at the end here. Hope you can see, guys. Yeah, that way. After you see the wires that are reflecting here, it shows that you've inserted them well. So now you take your crimping tool this way, then you take your RJ45, hold it this way, then you put it at this part here. Hope you can see, guys, this part here, this way. You make sure it is locked. You see there at the end, it is locked. Okay, guys. Then you press. You hear a clicking sound. If you hear the clicking sound, it means that you have crimped your cable well, and now it's ready to use. Yes, that's simple. So here with me I have the router. That's the enter router. I'm gonna test it with my laptop here. You take your cable, you insert it here. Yeah, then you take the other end, you insert it to the computer. Yeah, guys, that's simple. Yeah, you see it blinking. When you see it blinking here at the router, it means that the connection. Yeah, guys, let me show you at the computer. You come here and you see there is a connection. Yeah, wired connection. Even if I disconnect the Wi-Fi there, we still have the connection, wired connection. Then you can test it to see if it's working. You can ping, let's say Google, www.google.com. Yeah, there's a network connection there, guys. I hope you can see it. Yeah, meaning we have crimped our our cable well, and it has been successful. Yeah, guys, it's been nice taking you through the process, and hope you enjoyed, hope you learned. Yeah, you've just crimped your first cable, that is 568B straight through, and I'm gonna shoot another video showing you how to crimp straight through. Yeah, after this video. Yeah, thank you again. I'm Young Coder, a computer science student. Yeah, with my cameraman there, Adrian. Hope I see you another day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it.